Can't think of ideas? Let Gemini do it for you. Want to generate ideas quickly using Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me show you how to use the Brainstormer feature. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung device. On the main screen, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open your account menu. Tap Gem Manager. Now, find and select Brainstormer. Here, you'll see a description of this feature. Brainstormer helps you find inspiration easily, with fresh ideas for parties, gifts, businesses, and more. You'll also see several example prompts you can choose from. For example, affordable and creative gift ideas for my friend's birthday. Tap one of the examples, or type your own idea. Then tap Send. Gemini will generate multiple ideas instantly. For example, it may suggest unique gift ideas, creative themes, or budget-friendly options. This makes it easier to plan events, create content, or solve everyday problems. And that's how to generate ideas using Brainstormer in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.